She stitched her first dream at 16, but marriage folded it away. Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to English Shadowing Stories. Today's story is about a girl who did not give up, even when the world went silent around her. Let's begin. Before marriage, before responsibilities, before expectations, there was just Aisha and her dreams. In her small bedroom at her parents' home, she kept a wooden table near the window. Sunlight would fall on her sketchbook every afternoon. She used colored pencils, sometimes even crayons when money was tight. She loved saris. Not heavy old-style saris. She dreamed of something new. She called it modern heritage. Traditional fabric, but bold colors. Old culture, but fresh designs. At 16, she stitched her first sari using her mother's old sewing machine. The stitches were not perfect, but her smile was. Her mother used to say, "One day you will build your own brand." She believed her. One evening, her father came home from the market. His voice was serious. "Aisha," he said, "your marriage has been fixed. The boy is from a good family. You will live a happy life." Aisha froze. "Marriage? But father, I don't want to get married now. I want to build my career first." Her mother looked away. "It's decided, my child. It's time you take responsibility. A girl's real home is her husband's home." Aisha cried that night. She begged, she pleaded, but no one listened. Aisha thought, maybe I can continue my dream after marriage too. But marriage brought new rules. In her new home, people expected her to wake up early, cook, clean, serve tea, smile. No one talked about dreams. Her sewing machine stayed at her parents' house. Imran was not a bad husband. He cared for her. He brought her favorite sweets sometimes. But when she spoke about her designs, he would say, "Later, Aisha. First adjust to the family. My salary is enough. Why stress yourself?" He thought he was protecting her, but he was slowly closing her wings. Months passed. One day, while cleaning the storeroom, she found something under a cloth. An old sewing machine. Rusty, dusty, forgotten. Her heart beat faster. Behind her, a voice spoke. "You know how to use that?" It was her mother-in-law. Aisha froze. She expected anger. Instead, her mother-in-law walked closer. "I used to stitch when I was young," she said quietly. "But after marriage, I stopped." There was pain in her voice. That evening, her mother-in-law helped her clean the machine. She gave her a small corner in the storeroom. "Finish your work first," she said softly. "Then do this for yourself." That small space became Aisha's secret world. She opened her Facebook page. Modern heritage. Tradition with a new voice. She posted new designs. Day 1, no likes. Day 10, 2 likes. Day 30, silence. She refreshed the page again and again. Nothing. 3 months passed. She stitched at night when everyone slept. Her fingers hurt. Her eyes burned. Sometimes she wanted to quit. Imran noticed her tired face. "Why are you doing this?" he asked. "It's not working." His words were calm, but they hurt deeply. One night, she cried quietly in the storeroom. "I think I'm not good enough," she whispered. Her mother-in-law heard her. She sat beside her and held her hand. "Success is slow," she said. "Pain is fast. Don't choose the fast one." The next day, her mother-in-law shared her page in her women's group. Still no orders. Another month passed. Then one afternoon, ping, a message. "Is this sari available? I want to buy it." Aisha stared at the screen. Her hands trembled. It was just one order. But to her, it felt like someone believed. She packed it carefully. Her mother-in-law helped fold it neatly. When Imran came home, he saw the parcel. "What is this?" "My first order," she said softly. He looked surprised. "For real?" She nodded. That night he stayed awake watching her stitch. For the first time, he really saw her passion, the focus in her eyes, the quiet determination. The next week, he brought better fabric from the market. "I don't fully understand fashion," he said shyly, "but I understand hard work." Her mother-in-law smiled from the doorway. Orders slowly increased. Not fast, not magical, but steady. 2 orders, then 5, then 10. Women sent their photos wearing modern heritage. They wrote messages like, "I feel confident. This feels traditional but modern." One evening, her father-in-law wore his glasses and looked at her saris. "This is impressive," he admitted. The storeroom door stayed open after that. Aisha stood in that same corner one day, holding her phone filled with customer messages. She looked at her husband. She looked at her mother-in-law. One didn't understand at first. One understood too well. Both stood beside her now, and she realized something important. Dreams don't need loud support. They need patient belief. Sometimes marriage pauses your dream. Sometimes people doubt you. Sometimes even love does not understand you at first. But keep going, because one day they will see what you saw from the beginning. Thank you for listening. If this story touched your heart, remember, your dream is not wrong just because it is slow. Keep practicing English, keep believing, and never let silence decide your future.